Hello everyone, this is Java Series 9 and in this video we will learn types of errors in Java. So in general there are three types of errors occur in computers program. First one is syntax error, second one logical error and third one is runtime error. Syntax error. These errors happen when the rules or grammar of the programming languages are not followed. Such programming error typically involves incorrect punctuations, incorrect word sequence, undefined terms, and misuse of terms. For example, this is a Java statement C is equal to A plus B by 2. So this has a error, syntax error, because every Java statement should be terminated with a semicolon. So it should be C is equal to A plus B by 2 and semicolon at the last. All syntax error must be identified and corrected, otherwise the program will not be executed. Logical error. A logical error is an error in planning the program's logic. The computer actually does not know that an error has been made. It follows the programming instruction and executes the result, but the output is not correct. The problem is that logic being followed does not produce the result that were desired. For an example, this is a for loop statement, or you can say instruction to a program that will start printing from 1 to 10 and it will jump to step. Now what is for loop? In the next video we will discuss. The output of the program is all the odd numbers from 1 to 10. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But the user want to print all the even numbers from 1 to 10. So it must start with 2. As you can see here, it must start with 2. So we will get the output as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now here computer will not make any mistake. Here the logic of the user is incorrect. Runtime error. Even after errors are removed and the program is compiled, it does not mean that the program will produce the desired result. There may be some mistake other than syntax or logical error which come in a way of execution. They are known as runtime errors. These errors may occur due to dividing a number by 0 or to finding out the square root of a negative number, etc. For example, if this is an expression and if we put the value of d equal to 0, then the result will be infinite, which is a runtime error. Now hope this video is clear to you. Thank you.